All right. You are Jamal McCain? Yes, sir. Okay. You were here with Ms. Barroso, your attorney and the state's attorney.
Yes, sir.
You're charged with 3 habitual felony crimes.
Yes, correct.
So you're looking at 3 times 25 years to life imprisonment, 3 times that. In 23 CR 795, third-degree felony of tampering or fabricating with evidence. You have 3 prior convictions in sequence. Controlled substance, and evading arrest or detention of a motor vehicle. So you're looking at 25 to life on that. Unlawful possession of a firearm by a felon on April 18th of 2023, the same date as this earlier one. And the allegations are similar with the prior convictions. You're an habitual felon on that one. What's the date he was arrested on these 2? Anybody know?
I'm not sure, but I do know that he's been incarcerated for 3 years as of June, sometime first week of June, 4th, 5th. Around there, sometime.
Well, how long have you been representing?
Well, I was appointed in February. I'm his 3rd attorney. His last attorney was Ryan Matuska, who we all understand has gone over to the federal
I didn't know that.
Oh, I thought you were aware of that. Sorry.
No.
So he,
Don't necessarily tell me.
previous attorneys that withdrew. I'm his 3rd, I'm his 2nd appointed attorney. I believe the first one was hired, which was Marcus Wilkerson. He ended up withdrawing. Mr. Matuska was appointed. He ended up withdrawing, and then I was appointed. And from my understanding, this is the first time that Mr. McCain has been before the court on asking for a bond reduction. And he's been there for over 3 years.
He was arrested June 22nd, 2023.
Austin's date was, I think, around the first part of June.
All right. So he's charged with those 2. Then thereafter, before he was arrested, a couple months later, he's charged with a
It was a
murder.
couple weeks.
This says April 18th.
Oh, I stand corrected.
April 18th, and then June 6th, which would be April, May, June. So I'm thinking about 6 weeks or 7 weeks later, he's accused of committing a murder. And in each of these 3 cases, he's classified as an habitual felon. He's finally arrested on
June 22nd.
He said that was for the murder. He was arrested June.
June 22nd. Well, finally arrested on something
Well,
on June 22nd of that year.
May 21st of 2023 on the tampering and the unlawful possession, and he bonded out on May 24th of 2023. And he
That is, you know what? Okay, I was curious about that because that's not in here anywhere in any of this. I swear, it's not, I don't have a 23. So, hold on. So, he commits 2 crimes. On now. Habitual felon, he gets arrested, puts himself out and then goes right out and commits a murder.
Well, Your Honor, it's
Is that right?
alleged.
Is that right?
That's what he is alleged to have done, yes.
Okay, the grand jury decided that he did that,
Interesting.
and apparently the authorities. Okay, what's his bond?
Up 1 million on the murder, 50,000 on the other 2.
Fine.
The
What
bond was
else?
still good on the other 2.
Okay,
I'm sorry.
The bond was still good on the other 2. They're still open bonds.
Okay. $1 million is the
What
main
else do
one
you
that
want to
we're
add?
concerned about.
what else do you add?
Well, Your Honor, we would ask that Mr. McCain, if the court were so kind to reduce his bond at all, from the current amount of $1 million to whatever it feels is reasonable, that he be ordered to wear a GPS tracking device, that there be some strict conditions setting the bond. There's been no evidence that he's not going to appear for future court dates. There
What about
is,
the evidence that he might be a danger to the community?
so there's, let me just address the evidence, Your Honor, in the murder case. So there is a lot of digital evidence involved in this case. It's going to take a lot of time to review. We may have to end up hiring our own forensic expert.
Okay, what's stopping
Anyway,
you from
it's
doing
going
that?
to, well, Your Honor, it's becoming it's a challenge to prepare a defense with Mr. McCain in jail. And I believe that he is entitled to a reasonable bond. He's innocent until proven guilty.
Unless proven guilty.
Unless proven guilty. But this offense is an alleged offense. He hasn't been convicted. He's been in jail for 3 years, and this is his first time appearing in court on a motion for a bond reduction. So I would.
That's
ask the
terrible.
court to take
That's
that
a long delay.
consideration.
That's shameful, I
Yes,
think.
sir.
I don't know what happened on this, but I'm glad you're in the ball game because you move things along.
Thank you.
State,
Yeah,
anything?
we think the bond is sufficient due to the fact he was out on a felony, commits another felony. And we do have a little bit more than what she's saying as far as evidence is concerned.
The court finds that the bond is reasonable under these circumstances. These are extraordinarily serious, severe circumstances. He was arrested, charged with serious criminal felonies, and then thereafter is released on bond and commits murder in a few weeks. And the court finds this bond to be reasonable under these circumstances. We'll set it for trial.
Yes, sir.